Hello orchid growers, well, or gardeners, whatever you are, whatever's found you here, welcome. I'm just going to do a quick walk around the greenhouse. It's night time now in the UK. The time is about 6 o'clock and the days are getting lighter, look, the days are getting longer, which is brilliant. Snail damage, it's a quick one. I'm just going to do a quick walk around with this one actually, because there's not a lot to say. It's definitely spring is in the air. I came in today because the days are getting longer. There's more light on the greenhouse, more light for the plants to take in. So I gave them all a good watering. That is Mazavalia ignea. Beautiful, beautiful Mazzy. Couple of cuttings I took off there, divisions, because they just seem to grow over the sides in little clumps and I can pull them off. So another one there, another clone, very similar quality, but they are different clones. What else have we got? It's a nice one, some nice little stripes in there. Lucinula, this is going to open up soon. This is a really strange thing, it's like a tube. Orange. Not had enough water in here, but they're starting to rehydrate. You see this one, it's quite wrinkled. It was really shriveled when I first came in, but it's starting to rehydrate now. Now this is a nice one. This is, if I really looked after this was a show plant of Ellis Ear, who was a really good grower of these, Mazda Valley 2 Kai Candy, and this one's obviously awarded because it's called Lovely. And you can see why. Look at that. The lovely stripes, absolutely pristine. And the good thing about this is the tails are not too reflex, they do come straight. Okay, if I really looked after that one's going, just opening up now, look, it's getting a bit stuck, but needs a bit of a helping hand. But absolutely cracking plan. I'm going to look after that one because I lost a few of them at first. This is an absolute lovely flower as well. That's not had enough water, look. That's what I'm on about. See it? See how wrinkled it is? Wordakii, I think that is. Can't see the name. I think it's Wordakii. Gonna have a walk around here. Neos, obviously, the only ball ache with Neos is they flower in summer. So we grow them for the absolutely amazing leaves and variegation, look. And the roots, colour of the roots. Not much root growth at the minute, but they are just starting. See that? That's where it last year, or the one before, it grown to, stopped, started again, and it's starting again, look. So it's growing from there. So the roots do keep growing, like start growing again. So don't ever think they're dead. The roots are some absolutely beauties. Orahime. What else have we got? Well, I've got some amazing plants here, really, to be fair. I'm looking forward to this one. Mihai, I think, something like that. Mihata. I'm trying to straighten the leaves up, but look at the variegation on that. Splendid. Sounds like it's raining. Shishindin. Hakufu Karan. The Susan that I mounted on that rock, I'm hoping that's going to get going. I had a bit of a rot in the middle, which is a bit disappointing, but there you go, still going. Vanda Tricolor. Sorry about the light, because it's a bit of a dark one. Now, one thing that does flower this time of year religiously for me is the Cristata, look. I've got one flowering here as well coming, look. I noticed on an old video how much this tree fern trunk is covered. I mean, if I could get that to a show, you can you imagine that in a show? You could mount, you know, if I could, well, we're at Malvern this year as Orchid Supplies UK. And we sometimes put a display on of orchids, but not going to again this year. But I have thought about getting a van one year and taking that. That could be a centrepiece. Imagine all mazes coming off there like gems, like fireworks. You could really, I could probably mount 10-20 plants on that, and that would be it. That'd be the centrepiece. This is a strange one. You either love or hate it. Nice stripes. It's a real odd one, which I can't remember what the name is. It's a cross with Coccinia, I think. Carol Tarlow, Noto Siberica, which is a really close tubular flower, and Coccinia, which is a nice flat flower. And what it's giving you is a bit of a cross between the two. Now, at a show once, Ellis here says it's a dog. Now, it's not a dog, it's the way it is. It's the way it flowers. He was obviously mistaken because he's never seen it before, amazingly, but he didn't. That's how they flower. So it's one of them that you either like or you don't. What else? There you go. The famous Phylogeny. There's a Phylogeny, look, flowering. There's not really a massive amount in flower. Yeah, oh, there's a delicatum there in flower. As soon as you get a bit of warmth from the greenhouse, you smell fragrance. But this one's doing well this year, look. Phylogeny cristata again. Lots of flowers, grown cool. What else we got? Oh, it's getting, you're right, it's going quick. This is a strange thing. I mean, look at the flower on that. It's like an alien. I think it's called Buccinator or something like that. Look at that thing. Masdevallia buccinator. Cuprea, I think this is called. Restreepia. Cuprea, beautiful. Look at that. See how diverse orchids are. Any more hidden away up here? Probably are, but I can't see them. I think that's about the lot. Oh, here's one, look. Oh, sorry. There's one hidden away. And that is about it now. So, there you go. You can hear the rain. They've all been watered, so that'll do me for a week now. Rostreepia again, Bjorn, that one's called. Some there. Please, what I want to do, I tend to overlook what I know about orchids, about, you know, dividing and growing them and potting them. So if any of you got any ideas, what you'd like to see, what you'd like me to do a video of, let me know. Because I know I do a lot of walk rounds and things like this, but not you know, and tell you how you can grow and things like that, but not a lot where I'm showing you. So if you have any ideas, because I take it for granted, see? If you have any ideas, please comment below and I'll do a video on whatever you want to talk about. If you do want me to talk about anything, you might just find it completely boring. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share videos, let's get some chat going. I'll end with my koi. Don't forget to go on the Love of Orchids and Gardening group on Facebook, and I've got a group called the Friendly Koi Keepers. I've got a group called International Neo-Phoenicia Alliance. That's just purely for neos. Thanks for watching. Good evening. Have a great week.